Sometimes it feels like we are all made of paper, fragile, identical, hiding under umbrellas from life. We walk through the rain, trying not to get wet, but maybe it's the rain itself that can wash away everything unnecessary. When water touches the skin, the ink begins to run, dripping down, slowly, quietly, and something real starts to show beneath the paper. I can feel myself coming alive, breathing for the very first time. And maybe all we really need is to stop hiding